Hi friends, welcome to my Annapurni Food Express. Today we have brought another tasty and crunchy recipe called as goat cutlet. People like it so much, also your children like it too. I cut one pieces from this and you can see it look very tasty from inside also. You can see I show you from inside. It looks very tasty from inside also, and the feeling of this it looks very tasty. If you want to see this video in Bengali and Hindi, please go to the link in the description below. And if you new in this channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's go. For making this tasty and crunchy recipe, first I take asgod. I cut it into pieces. After that I cut it from outside. You can see I cut it from the green side, not from the white side. And I cut it from the middle of the outer side. You can see like this. After that I take the potato, I chopped it and boiled it. After that I take the rice flour. After that I take homemade jeera masala. I give the link in the description below. Then I take chopped green chili and ginger. After that I take turmeric powder and salt. Then I take water. Now I boiled all the asgod. For this I give all the asgod to a pot. Like this I give all the asgod. After that I give some water to it to boil it. Then I give some salt to it. Now I cover it and boiled it for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes I will remove the cover and see it is boiled or not. You can see it is fully boiled. Now I will put it down on a plate. Now I will smash all the boiled potato. Like this you can take one glass. Otherwise you can smash it with your hand also. You can see I smashed all the boiled potatoes. Now I will fry it on a pan. Now I take a hot frying pan and give some oil to it. After that I give the boiled potato. Then I will give some salt and turmeric powder to this. Now I give the ginger and green chili paste to it. After that I will mix it with the potato and fry it in medium flame till it become brown. After frying it properly, now I will give the homemade jeera masala. After that I will mix it with the potato properly. I mixed it properly. Now I will put it down on a plate. Now I will make the batter. For this I give the rice flour to this. After that I give salt and turmeric powder to this. Then I give homemade jeera masala. After mixing it properly, I will give the water slowly. First I give little water. After that I mix it. Then I give some more water. After that I mix it again. Like this you have to give the water slowly. Otherwise lumps will be created. Like this you have to give slowly water. Like this you have to mix it properly till 5 to 6 minutes. Otherwise there will be some lumps in it. After that, after mixing it properly, you can see the density of the mixture. Our mixture is ready. Now I will rest it for 5 minutes. In between 5 minutes, I fill the mixture to the asgod. First I take one asgod, then I take one spoon and fill the mixture like this. You can see how to fill it from the back side of the spoon. Like this you have to fill the mixture to the asgod. You can see I fill the mixture very tightly to the asgod. Like this you have to fill it to all the asgod. Now I will fill all the asgod. You can see I filled all the mixture to all asgod very tightly and nicely. You can see how much mixture I give to this asgod. Now I will see the batter, it is ready or not. After 5 minutes I will see our batter ready or not. You can see our batter is fully ready and it is very thick. You can see. Now I will fill this mixture with all asgod and fry it. Now I take a hot frying pan and give little more oil to it. After that I give one asgod to it. You can see how to give this asgod. Like this you have to give all the asgod. Remember, when you give the asgod, the flame will be medium. So I give all the asgod to it. After that I fry it for 2 to 3 minutes to this side. After 3 minutes we will see this side fried or not. I'll reverse it and you can see this side fried very nicely. Now I will reverse all the escargot very smoothly. I reverse all the escargot, you can see. Now I fried this side also more 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. After another 3 minutes I will reverse it again and see that side fried properly or not. You can see our this side also fried very nicely. Now I will make the flame low and fried it more 2 minutes for made it very crispy. After 2 minutes of frying, you can see our cutlet look very nice and brown. You can see it looks very nice and crispy also. Now I will put it down on a plate. So friends, our today's special tasty and crunchy recipe for escargot cutlet is ready. You can see it looks very crispy. You can serve it with rice in lunch time, also in afternoon time for snacks also. Also you can eat it with the chutney. I cut one cutlet and show you from inside it. You can see it looks very nice and feeling is very good. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.